Prepare boneless chicken thighs, add ginger, cooking wine, salt, light soy sauce, oyster sauce and cornstarch. Mix everything together and let it marinate for 10 minutes. Add red dates and cordyceps militaris. Stir them well. Arrange the chicken on a steaming plate. Spray a little cooking oil on top. Steam over boiling water for 15 minutes with the lid covered. Finish off with fresh green onions. The chicken turns out incredibly tender and savory. It's light, healthy, and tastes absolutely amazing. Heat up some oil in the wok. Pour in 2 eggs. Fry until firm. Add some hot water, then a little chicken broth. Season with a little salt and MSG. Add pre-cooked rice noodles and some fresh beef. Throw in some lettuce to blanch. Finish with a spoonful of chili oil. A quick and healthy beef rice noodle breakfast is all ready. Simple shrimp egg tofu recipe. Heat a little oil in a pan. Add soft tofu and cut it into small pieces. Pour in 2 beaten eggs. Gently lift and stir the bottom. When the eggs are slightly set, add fresh shrimp. Drizzle with the prepared sauce. Cover with the lid and simmer on low heat for 5 minutes. Garnish with chopped green onions before serving. Creamy, savory, and full of flavor. Bring water to a boil. Add a little salt and oil. Blanch the broccoli for 1 minute. Add salt, chicken powder, light soy sauce, starch, and water in a bowl. Stir well. Drain the broccoli and set aside. Heat oil in the wok. Stir-fry minced garlic until fragrant. Pour in the sauce and simmer on low heat until slightly bubbly. Add the broccoli and stir quickly and evenly. Then serve and enjoy. Tomato egg beef stir-fry. Kids go crazy for it. Heat oil in a wok. Pour in 4 beaten eggs. Scramble them up. Cook through, then set aside. In another wok, stir-fry the marinated beef just until it changes color, then set aside. Add a bit more oil to the wok. Stir-fry green onion and garlic until fragrant. Toss in tomato pieces. Cook down until juicy. Season with salt, sugar, light soy sauce, and oyster sauce. Stir to combine. Add the cooked eggs and beef back into the wok. Toss everything together gently and mix well. Top with chopped green onion. It's done and serve. So tasty, sweet, and sour eggs recipe. Ketchup, light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, sugar, white vinegar, water, and mix well. Heat oil in the pan. Stir-fry onion and green onion until fragrant. Then pour into the sauce bowl. Add a little more oil to the pan. Fry 4 eggs until set. Pour in the prepared sauce. Cover and simmer for 1 to 2 minutes. Sprinkle with green onion. Sweet, sour, and super delicious with rice. Give it a go. Boil water with a little oil. Blanch lettuce for 30 seconds, then plate it. Mix water with light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, oyster sauce, sugar, and starch. Set aside. Heat oil in a wok. Stir-fry garlic until fragrant. Pour in the sauce. Simmer till thick, then drizzle over lettuce. Easy and delicious oyster sauce lettuce is ready. Give it a go. Place rice noodles on a plate. Drizzle with soy sauce and oil. Toss well, then spread out with a hollow center. Top with marinated beef, shredded carrots, and some pickled mustard greens for extra flavor. Crack an egg right into the center. Cover with a lid. Steam on medium heat for 8 minutes. Add the greens, then steam for another minute. Drizzle with a spoonful of chili oil. Sprinkle with chopped scallions. Toss everything together and it's ready to enjoy. Super easy and delicious.